how to use Uber Eats membership. To use Uber Eats membership, you need to first of all sign up through the Uber Eats or an Uber Eats app itself. So I'm going to use the Uber Eats website. You could use the app as well. After you've actually done this, you need to go ahead and tap on the menu bar, click on the account section, and you need to go ahead and look for Uber One to enroll it. Now this feature isn't available in my case, so what I'm going to do is click on manage, and then you could go ahead and look for it as well. Now, basically, the icon signifies that a restaurant or a store is eligible for membership benefit, like $0 delivery fee, which only applies if you meet the minimum order amount specific in the app for that store. And you need to track your savings. The app automatically tracks the saving you receive, which can be viewed within your account, and earn Uber One credit. So you can earn Uber One credit and eligible rides and order. This credit are often stored in your Uber cash balance and may have an expiry date as well. And what you need is, if you want to manage your membership, you could cancel your membership, and you could also update your payment method as well. So this way you could use the Uber Eats membership. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.